He's already got to load up. Oh, you took the clip out. Yeah, I'm loading the clip.
That looks fun.
Oh!
I'll kill you if you shoot me, I swear to God. I'm gonna probably boot scoot it, I don't know. Don't fall, oh my God. Lord, help me! It'll get ruined! Almost fell! What the hell's up with these hills?
It's Omaha. What do you expect?
Yeah, I don't go to Omaha.
I'm not gonna make it.
Dude, that's fucking railroad tracks! Oh, sick! Look what I got! Oh, I got a big stick! Yeah! I put a stick there. What the fuck are you doing?
Steven, wait, no, you gotta take a picture of us. You guys.
But I'm recording it.
Are you recording?
Recording right now?
I can't take a picture, I'm recording!
Right now?
Yes!
Alright, well, see that dude right there in the leather jacket? Since he's not gonna take his leather jacket off, he's playing against both me and Steve. Which means...
Why?
Somebody's vomiting on the side of the tracks.
Sorry, I had to go.
Anyway, okay, we're down here, right?
Yeah, tree fort!
No, hey, no, dude, this is where all those weed plants were, right?
Nice. Oh shit, shit. Okay.
Hey, you guys, also, if the train comes down here...
I put a stick in the middle of the thing.
No, they will shoot rock fall back.
I don't give a fuck.
If the train comes, go that way. They'll shoot rock fall. There's still a flame. What? Oh, Alex, are you done with it? There's still a flame over there. Right there.
That's gonna be fun. What the hell is that? If I get shot, I'll kill you! I'm sorry, Trisha. I'm falling. Hello! Hi.
Recording BB Wars.
Don't give names!
Wearing a
leather. He's wearing a leather jacket. And that person, and another one's over there in white. You can't see him. Run, dude. Okay, I'm gonna stop.